We're targeting at least 10% reduction in backlog cases this year and a reduction in the number of cases that will be resolved by way of traditional court processes. The new face of justice is about helping individuals, families and communities heal, recover and prosper.
That mandate will take form through a variety of initiatives this fiscal year.
There is a program that is being executed by the Legal Reform Department to review all the laws of Jamaica, at least 600 pieces of legislation, and the process has started and will be fast-tracked. Many of these laws have never been changed. We have started the work in earnest to reduce the backlog of cases in our civil and criminal courts. The Chief Justice has instituted a statistical case management system that identifies backlog. The Chief Justice is trying to deal with all cases over 5 years. We're engaging more judges and have sought the support of the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service to engage part-time judges. To do so require constitutional changes that have recently been approved by Cabinet, and the appropriate legislation will come to this House shortly. 2 new restorative justice centers will open in Tivoli and Denham Town shortly. We are establishing 14 parish justice centers that will have responsibility for the coordination of alternative dispute resolution processes in the parish. We expect that a significant number of the cases that would normally be resolved in the traditional court system will be diverted to these justice centers. The first parish justice center will be opened in St. Anne in July. The St. Mary Parish Justice Center will be opened in August. We expect that Portland Parish Justice Center, which is to be located in the Buff Bay Courthouse, to be opened by October. Others will follow soon after and completed in this fiscal year. The construction of the Family Court Attendance Center in Kingston will be built using the containerized concept. The Coroner's Court on Maxwell Avenue will shortly be completed and open to the public. The expansion of the Court of Appeal should be completed in this fiscal year to provide for a 3rd appeal court and enough chambers to accommodate 12 appeal court judges. The expansion of the traffic courts is expected to begin once the MOU for the lease has been finalized with the owners of the property. We hope to renovate 78 courtrooms in 19 court buildings and put in them audiovisual equipment, which is funded by the EU. We will put the alternative dispute resolution infrastructure across 1,000 schools in Jamaica. We will establish these 14 parish justice centers. More JPs are being trained and available to provide a better quality of service to their communities and to the court system. This year's budget will allow us to provide some support to the offices of the custodies, once again demonstrating our commitment to strengthening the capability of the justice system to respond to the needs of the citizenry. This fiscal year will be a watershed year.